Hi, yoga buddies. Welcome to our calm yoga flow to start your day. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you can practice yoga with us every day. Let's move gently and feel ready for the day. Standing tall, feet grounded, arms by sides, chest open, confident, calm stance. Stand tall with arms stretched overhead, palms facing each other, ribs down, shoulders relaxed away from the ears. Stand with feet hip-width apart. Fold forward from the hips, knees slightly bent, hands reaching toward the floor, head relaxed and heavy. From forward fold, lift your chest halfway. Place hands on shins. Keep back long and flat. Gaze slightly forward. Stand with legs wide. Fold forward from the hips, hands on the floor or legs, legs straight and strong. Standing with legs straight and hips facing forward, fold your torso over the front leg, keeping both legs long and strong. The spine stays long. Hands can rest on the shin, floor, or blocks. Alternate between left and right. Form an upside-down V, hands and feet pressing into the mat. Legs long, spine stretched, head relaxed between arms. Step one foot forward into a deep lunge. Back knee on the mat, hips sinking gently. Hands rest on the front thigh. Switch sides. Stand tall with legs wide apart and arms stretched out to the sides, forming a big star shape. Body stays upright and stable. Stand on one leg, start right leg, place the other foot on your calf or inner thigh, hands together at heart or lifted overhead. Repeat on left leg. Sitting cross-legged, spine tall, shoulders relaxed, hands resting on knees. Chin neutral, soft smile. Kneel down, sit back on your heels, fold forward with arms stretching forward, forehead resting on the mat. Sit comfortable, close your eyes gently, and take slow, calm breaths in and out, feeling ready for the day ahead. Amazing job, yoga buddies! You did such a calm and beautiful practice today. If you enjoyed this yoga flow, remember to like, subscribe, and share it with a friend. We're so proud of you. See you next time. Namaste.